Turn free time into cash. Meet Bigcash, a free website that pays you for short tasks. Sign up, complete 5 to 10-minute tasks, earn coins, then cash out. Redeem those coins for PayPal Cash or popular gift cards instantly. Before we start, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment your country below. Now let's walk through sign up, simple offers, earning, and cashing out. Step 1. Open Bigcash and tap Create Account. It takes seconds. Use email or social login, then verify and jump into the dashboard. Add basic profile info to unlock location-specific offers and bonuses. Opt into notifications so you never miss high-paying offers. Tip: connect PayPal now to make future cash outs faster and smoother. All set. Now let's pick your first easy offer and start earning. Choose from games, app installs, surveys, and short tasks. Most offers take 5 to 10 minutes, perfect for spare time. Pick offers labeled Easy or Quick to start earning fast. You'll see screen recordings of offers and an animated coin counter here. Tip: follow simple instructions exactly to ensure the offer credits properly. Each completed offer adds coins to your balance. The counter updates instantly. When you have enough coins, open the Rewards or Cash Out tab. Select PayPal, enter your linked account, and confirm the payout. Or choose from popular gift cards like Amazon, iTunes, and Google Play. Payout times vary, but PayPal and many gift cards are instant or fast. Once confirmed, enjoy your money or gift card. You earned it! Quick recap: sign up, pick quick offers, earn coins, redeem rewards. Share your results and tips in the comments. We read every one. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more walkthroughs. Turn on notifications so you'll see region-specific offers and guides we make. Thanks for watching. Your spare minutes can really add up. Comment on which country you're watching from, and we'll make videos for your region. See you in the next video.